What's up, everybody? This is Cadillac Mack, and today we're going to do an unboxing of some headers. But first I want you to see where I got them from. So as you see here, if you do a quick Google search of 472 headers, a long list and a wide variety of parts comes up, and they're all different prices. They just have different name brands, different manufacturers. You got the Sanderson headers, the name brand headers, they're $423. Then you scroll down just a little bit, you got some more headers that are $130, some more Sanderson headers for $455, $45. Right below them, $131. Remember this picture because you're gonna see this picture a lot. And these two headers, the Sanderson headers, the one above them and the one right above them, if you look at them, all three of them are exactly the same style, exactly the same shape, but three drastically different prices. So what you're looking for is this picture. This picture is the set of headers that I got. There's like 900 different companies online, but they all use the same picture. So if you see this picture and you order it, this is what I got. If you're worried about compatibility, just click on the picture and scroll all the way down to the bottom. They have a list of what it's compatible with. But basically all 472 500 block Cadillac engines, these headers will fit. Here are the specifications of the header. If you scroll down past that list, you got a 1.75 inlet, 3-inch collector. They're made of stainless steel. You get a set of headers, so it's not just one, it's passenger side, driver's side. You get all the mounting hardware, you get the gasket, the bolts, and the flanges. So now let me show you what I did. I scrolled all night looking at these pictures, trying to match up these pictures, and just try to find who had the cheapest price with free shipping. I ended up finding one for about $106, which is crazy because the next day I went back online and saw some for $89. I definitely didn't click on these, but you can see how drastic the price difference is from header to header, and they all look the same, they're just different name brands. I'm sure the quality is different, but for my application, these are fine for me. And anything is better than the stock manifold that comes on the car. So let me show you what I got. Let me show you what came in the box. How much you did that with?
I'll say 2 pounds.
2 pounds?
Maybe 5.
2 to 5 pounds.
Yeah, 2 pounds.
Show inside the big part. The inside of these pipes look good. Like I don't see any light shining through anywhere where there could be any leaks or anything like that.
Oh my god. Oh.
How much do you think that weighs?
10 to 15 pounds.
I was gonna say 20 or 30 pounds. But hold up, show me that. Yeah, there you go. Look how black and crusty this joint is. You can't even see that. Oh yeah, you can. You can see that in there. That thing is like black, charred, and crusty as hell. Let me see your fingers. Look at that. This is the side-by-side comparison. Sometimes you order these cheap parts from eBay and they don't have a proper fitment. You can't bolt them up right. So I'm just lining them up just to make sure that all the holes match. Perfect match. Turn this down. No, but they didn't really polish up the welds after they got through welding it together. But it looks good.
What is this?
Look, it goes on your engine and it connects to your engine and sends the heat and exhaust out the back.
Is it loud?
I don't know. Better light. I do. But not for this part. You can go play with the baby if that's what you want to do. Some of the welds on this are not perfect, but not bad either. Mind you, this is not the name brand, whatever you call them, headers. But those headers were $600, damn near $700, and these were $100. So I'm not expecting the quality to be exactly the same for that big of a price gap. But I'm not gonna lie, I think they look good to me. We'll just see how they work. Oh. Just slide out those. Comes with both the gaskets. Gaskets for the exhaust. These guys. Bam. And all the bolts that you need to bolt it up to the engine. So I'm not complaining. So that's it for the unboxing. And as always, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure you stay tuned for more episodes with Cadillac Mack. Until next time, I'm Cadillac Mack and I'm out.